What's the meaning of concerning? Concerning. Concerning.
Concerning. Concerning. Concerning is a preposition that indicates a relationship or reference to something. It can be used to introduce a topic, indicate a connection between two things, or convey the idea of being related to, about, or regarding something. The word can also be used as an adjective to describe a state of worry or anxiety. In summary, concerning is a versatile word that conveys a sense of connection or relevance to something, either as a preposition or an adjective expressing a state of concern.